We have so many similarities. We are connected today, not only in the commercial relationship and investment, but by our own Goa diaspora in Portugal. There was a visit of the Honorable Prime Minister of the Portugal, Antonio Costa, in January 2017, during which he visited his ancestral home in Goa. This is one of the instances of the people-to-people contact. It is important for us to act and maintain these ties so that we can explore the opportunities to grow the mutual benefit. Another way is the city-to-city contact, where we can learn from the one another. The city of Panaji is the result of lasting interacting between the state of Goa and the Republic of Portugal. There is a shared maritime history and vibrancy of the international trade. The city of the Porto in Portugal has been classified as the cultural heritage of the humanity by UNESCO. It is also the very well-known tourist destination. There are the similarities in the heritage value and the tourism potential. There is a lot that we can learn from each other. The strategic component of the smart city missions are the city improvement, city renewal, and city extension. The better plans with human settlements improves the livability of the whole cities, improves the quality of life, creates the employment and enhances the income for all, leading to the inclusion of cities. These are the ongoing and potential area of the future collaboration between the Portugal and Goa.
I also salute Professor Eduardo Aires, whose work in the area of design is internationally recognized, for having accepted the challenge to speak to you today on what has been the focus of his work in a city, a big town in Portugal, the one of Porto. In this globalized world, it is not hard to conclude that cities are geographically distant as Porto and Panaji, still fight for very similar objectives. The aim of attaining an intelligent, efficient and sustainable urban infrastructure, and thereby improving the lives of their inhabitants, of their populations. This is clearly a common goal of many cities throughout the world today. Working for the citizens, working for common citizens, for common people, because we, politicians, we serve the citizens, we serve common people. That's why we were elected. That's our task. That's our dream, but also our mission, every day's mission. We're speaking of urban design, and of course I'm going to take advantage of this opportunity to tell you a little bit about Portugal and urban design. Maybe not everyone here knows, but Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, was elected European Greens capital in 2020, this year. In April this year, it will host the Urban Future Global Conference 2020.